video is making egg sandwich. So to make this, first up we'll need to boil the egg. I'll be using 2 eggs for this egg sandwich. And when you let it boil, add in salt so that the shell doesn't crack. And we'll let it boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the egg would be nicely boiled, it would be hard boiled. And now I'll just dip it into ice cold water so that it cools off, making it easier to peel the eggshell. So right here I have the 2 eggs that I've opened and removed the shell. So now what we're going to do is to mash the hard-boiled egg. Many may prefer to cut the egg using a knife, but I find this a whole lot easier way to do it, because either way what we're aiming to get is tiny egg pieces that we can just add onto our slice of bread. So mashing is a whole lot easier way to do it. So using a fork to mash it up actually saves a lot of time than to use a knife and cut it one by one. And now add in 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. And we'll just mix it all together. So the mayonnaise actually does help to give it a nice smooth texture so it would not be too dry. You can also add in butter inside if you wish. For me, I'm not going to add it in. And so for the egg part, we're done. Now let's make the sandwich. So what I'm going to do right now is to remove the crust of the bread, all 4 corners. And now for the last bit, we'll just need to add in the egg onto the slice of bread. Then cover it with another slice of bread and just cut it into half. So this is my version of egg sandwich made at home. Perfect for breakfast, finger food, or just a snack in general. Hope you like it.